Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your PIN not being accepted on REALME P3. Let's begin. Okay, there is a very high chance that you have just forgotten your PIN. However, if you are very sure that you didn't and it's the phone that's wrong, well, it's very bold for you to say that. That's the first thing I want to say. But the second, technically you can just reboot your device and see if anything changes. You can do that by pressing and holding power button with volume up button and then going into restart. And after a moment our phone should restart and we should see that now we have once again the ability to input our PIN, and if it will be correct this time, then congratulations, rebooting fixed your issue. But if it didn't, yeah, sorry, you probably forgotten your password. And if that's the case, there is only one thing that can possibly help you, and that's hard reset. Now, it's very important for me to warn you that performing hard reset is very dangerous because it will delete every single thing from your phone. Yeah, it will also delete your password, sure, but with that password, your photos will be gone, your videos will be gone, your applications, your messages, your data, everything will be gone with the password as well. So with that warning out of the way, we can now begin the process of factory resetting. First, let's press and hold power button and volume up button once again, and this time let's power off our device. After we hear this vibration and the logo disappears, we can pick up our phone. And now we want to press and hold power button with volume down button simultaneously, and when REALME logo appears, you want to release power button while still pressing volume down button. This is very important, so let's try it out. Power button and volume down button. We wait for the logo to appear. And now we want to release our thumb from power button while still pressing volume down button. And in any moment now, we should see that we are inside the recovery screen. Now in here you want to navigate using power buttons and volume button and power buttons, but also we can just click it. This is, I think, only recovery I know that actually allows you to just use your touch screen, which is pretty funny. And now you want to simply hit format data, and inside here you need to enter the verification code, and yeah, this is exactly the code that you see here. This is only in case of you somehow accidentally enabling recovery mode in your pocket and accidentally clicking format data, which is very unlikely to happen, but nonetheless it's nice that they've added something like this. So we have to simply retype in whatever we see here. For me it's 0721, and now we want to simply hit format. Now our data is being wiped and data is formatted. That's it, okay? And now our phone should automatically restart. Now it might restart a couple of times, that's completely normal, and the process as a whole probably will take a few minutes. But anyway, I will now pause the video and I will see you in, well, for you a second, for me about a few minutes. And as I said before, a couple of minutes has passed for me, and now we have our setup screen. Now if you want to know how to actually set up your newly created phone or newly wiped phone, you can always watch my setup tutorial for the REALME P3, but for that specific video, that's all. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.